Step 1. Download and copy latest version PS3 update.pup file, PS3 firmware.
Download link in the
Step
description.
2. Open RPCS3.exe file location. Step 3. Paste PS3 update.pup file, PS3 firmware, on this location. Step 4. Close this Windows tab. Step 5. Open RPCS3 emulator. Step 6. Click and check mark on I have read the Quick Start Guide option. Step 7. Click and check mark on Do Not Show Again option. Step 8. Click on Continue option. Step 9. Go to File and click on Install Firmware option. Step 10. Select PS3 update.pup and click on Open button to install. Step 11. RPCS3 Firmware Installer. Installing PS3 firmware in RPCS3. Please wait. Step 12. Click and check mark on Don't Show Again. Step 13. Click on OK button. Step 14. RPCS3 processing and compiling PPU module. You need to wait few minutes. PS3 firmware successfully installed in RPCS3 emulator. Enjoy.
How to update PS3 firmware in RPCS3 emulator. Step 1. Download and copy latest version PS3 update.pup file, PS3 firmware. Step 2. Open RPCS3.exe file location. Step 3. Paste latest version PS3 firmware PS3 update.pup file here, in this location. Step 4. Close this Windows tab. Step 5. Open RPCS3 emulator. Step 6. Go to File and click on Install Firmware option. Step 7. Click on All Files option to see all files inside RPCS3 folder. Step 8. Find and select latest version PS3 update.pup file and click on Open button. Step 9. Click on Yes option to overwrite current PS3 firmware installation with latest version PS3 firmware.